Hello, friends! Today, we are going on a flying adventure. We will meet 20 amazing birds. Some are colorful, some can sing, and some can even swim. Are you ready to spread your wings and learn together? Let's go! This is a parrot. Parrots are colorful birds, and they can even copy what we say. Wow, this is a peacock. Look at its big, beautiful feathers like a fan. Isn't it amazing? Here is a penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they love to swim in the cold water. This is an owl. Owls come out at night. They have big, round eyes. Here is a sparrow. Sparrows are tiny birds that sing sweet songs in the morning. This is a crow. Crows are smart blackbirds. They like to fly high in the sky. This is a dove. Doves are white and peaceful. They are a symbol of love. This is a hen. Hens live on farms and lay eggs for us. Here is a rooster. Roosters wake us up in the morning by saying, This is an eagle. Eagles are strong birds with big wings. They can fly very high. This is a falcon. Falcons are fast birds. They can fly quickly in the sky. Here is a woodpecker. Tap, tap, tap. It pecks trees with its strong beak. This is a seagull. Seagulls love to fly near the sea and eat fish. This is a canary. Canaries are small yellow birds. They sing very beautifully. Here is a flamingo. Flamingos are tall pink birds that stand on one leg. This is a turkey. Turkeys are big birds, and they say, This is a swan. Swans are graceful white birds that swim in lakes. Here is a pigeon. Pigeons are friendly birds that live in cities and towns. This is a kingfisher. Kingfishers are colorful birds that catch fish from the water. Here is a duck. Ducks love to swim. Wow! We met so many amazing birds today. Parrots, peacocks, penguins, owls, and many more. Did you enjoy learning their names with me? Remember, birds are everywhere around us. Next time you see one, try saying its name in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so we can keep learning together. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.